Evening.
Good evening. Welcome to Clappingo. Shaheen, how are you?
You. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Enjoying the holidays?
Only yesterday I had holiday.
Today,
Today,
today you had school. Today you had to go. Okay,
yes,
okay. Tomorrow is a Sunday.
yes.
Okay. Any doubts? Any clarification?
No, there is no doubt so far. Today I have completed my homework.
Yes, 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 yes. Let's go to the homework first. Are you ready?
Yes. I think I have
First.
changed a little bit. You had asked me for environment or climate. So I
Okay,
did it, but in a little bit in a different way.
okay,
For
okay. I've
small
written it
kids,
down here.
yeah, for junior students and senior students.
Yes, yes, yes.
First, I'll
Okay,
ask small kids,
okay,
do you know what is environment or climate? What do
okay.
you feel when it changes? Do you feel cold weather during winters? Do you feel hot in summer season? Do you
Okay.
feel to play or drench in rain during a rainy season? Change in climate changes the season of that place.
Mm-hmm.
As the climate changes, we make changes in our lifestyle. What we wear in winter season, what kind of clothes do you wear, what kind of clothes do you wear in summer season, what kind of clothes do you wear in rainy season. So I hope students will reply. In winter season we use
You're going
warm
to make it interactive. Okay, okay. Yeah, good.
clothes. First, I'll start asking them, do you feel changes in the environment?
Environment.
And
Okay.
yeah, and according to climate, we make changes in our lifestyle. We change our clothes. In winter we have cold climate. We wear warm clothes and we eat paratha, ghee, and all heavy foods.
Yes.
In summer season, we wear light clothes. We feel hot, so we wear light, airy clothes, loose clothes, cotton cloth, and we eat more vegetable, fruit. We drink juice, cold drink, ice creams.
Ice creams.
Yeah, so we make changes in our eating habits as well. We all enjoy monsoon, means rainy season. In rain, in rainy season, weather is moderated, not very hot, not very cold. In this season, we eat fried things like pakoras with tea and all kind of stuff. So I mentioned the clothes we wear and food habits we change. Did you
Okay.
understand weather and climate? It's for
Yes.
small kids.
Yes. 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 Good. Very nice. Okay.
For senior students, environment, it's little bit high level, or I
Yeah.
made
Yeah.
it.
It should be. It should be. Yes.
Do you know what is weather and climate? These are two different things. We may experience different weather conditions during same day. Do you feel it's cold in the morning, hot in the afternoon, and it's raining in the evening? Have you feel it? Yes, it does happen many times. Does it happen with you? Do you feel cold in the morning? Okay, evening. Uh, yes. Does it happen with you? Do you feel cold in the morning, hot in the afternoon, and rain in the evening, or vice versa? It happens because of change in weather. Climate
Mm.
is the average of weather condition for a long period of uh, time across that large area. Different type of climates are experienced in different part of the world. Means climate is
Okay.
not same all over the world. It keep changing according to the position of sun and
Yes.
uh,
Exactly. Okay.
equator as well. The climate or place influence lifestyle of people,
Yeah.
crops, food eaten, and climate also affects the life of animal and plants around in a region. Factors that determine climate is distance from the equator. The area along the equator gets direct heat from the sun, means vertical rays comes to the earth. That's why we feel more hot, or we feel it's more heat. And
Okay, we
when
feel the
as
heat.
yeah, and
Okay.
as we go or move away from the equator, rays of the sun become slanting, not straight,
Okay.
slanting. This makes
Hmm.
the climate less hot. So
Okay.
you experience different climates due to the equator and the position of sun as well.
Great. Very good. It's a lot of vocabulary and things like that. So just one mistake. Factors determine the factors that determine the climate are, not is,
Okay,
are, because factors. Okay.
factors are
And
determined.
factors that determine the climate are, because you're giving a list there. You're
Yes,
giving one, two, three, four. Okay.
yes, yes.
So it was, the delivery was different. The delivery was different, and it was really interesting. So when you did some preparation, you had a lot of ideas, and the way you said, you explained also. Instead of telling it is like that, it is like this, it is supposed to be like that, you gave, because children will have those doubts in mind. Why it is like that? Sun rays, slanting, straight, all those words are really helpful. Okay. Then one more task was given. What was it? Listen to video and write.
Life, life was there.
What was that task actually? Listen to what video? I wrote listen to video and write.
Uh, no, one more topic was life.
I think your video.
I've written few lines on life as well.
Sure, please, please read. Please read. Nice.
Uh, Life is not when we fulfill our needs, do job, do business, earn money, buy a big house, car, and live a lavish life and die. Life is when one live it fully, when it has a purpose, not for ourselves, but it should be inclusive. It should involve people around us, environment, animal, and there should be sense of responsibility as well. You should have that feeling in your mind or sense that I am the part of this society, this planet, and this universe. So I have few responsibilities. I have to fulfill it happily. Take care of people around you. Take care of society. Live in society. Live in contribute in everything.
Hmm.
Uh, then I haven't written. I'll make few points.
Extra, extra points.
I had read a poem, so I'll give that example. And a poet has given an example of flower that no matter what conditions are there, we can take a lesson from flower or we can learn from it. It blossom in the morning, no matter what. It smile with sun, it dance with air, and it give a pleasant fragrance, no matter it's thunder or rain or it's storm. It does its work, and eventually at night, uh, it life of that flower ends, but it live fully and it
Yes,
become
yes.
the part of that soil. So no matter how long or how short life is, but live it fully and spread happiness, love. So
Great, very good. So one should live it fully. Okay,
fully.
live. 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 Leave is leave. Leave the room. Leave the place. Okay, beautiful. So first thing was environment and climate. That has got some connection with the poem. Okay, also it has got connection with life, because
Yes.
climate change, even in life you have got different horizon and different panorama of life itself. It changes with person to person. Times change. Even the cloud, we say that it is like a passing cloud. It's okay, it will rain and it will go off. Life is also like that. So
Yes.
everything is connected, and that's great. Okay, now we are going to talk about social work. You're really good at, you did a good job, and it
Thank
was
you.
nice listening to you.
Okay.
Social work is the topic for today.
Okay.
Okay, now coming to life. Okay, the first question is, what is the role of social work in the life of a person?
To do social work, one no need to be a social worker. There
Okay.
is no need to be social worker. You should start doing something, or you start contributing for society right from where you are. So
Okay.
you can help the people who are around you, like your housemaid, children of your housemaid. And it's not necessary that you have to spend a lot of money or something.
Okay.
That feeling or that spirit should be there to help the
Okay.
society. So you can help with that. Kids, you can give them books, good clothes that they can
Okay.
study, or they can wear it. And on festivals, I've seen domestic help, especially domestic help. When ladies come to work our home, they have a lot of problems at their families.
Yes, yes, with their families.
So it's a really good idea to help them with their kids, especially on festivals. So
Mm-hmm.
no need to go out and do something big. You can start it right from your home.
Great. So, especially during festivals, okay, not on festivals.
Yeah, during festivals. And again, we can take care of the environment. uh,
Okay.
don't use plastic, don't throw litter here and there. Make aware family members or small kids at your home. So
Spread awareness, make them
it's
aware.
also
Yeah.
social work.
Yes, there's also social work. Good. Okay. So, helping, saving, preserving, what else? Lending a helping hand. All that is part of social work. The
Yes,
word is
humanity.
so people who do social work, of course, they promote something in some way, especially when it's a large group. Some promotion is happening. When it comes to humanity, humanity is a kind of philosophy also, humanitarian beliefs and things like that. And these days, we don't know whether people follow humanity. Some people are not humans also; they're zombies. They behave like zombies in this technological era. So, how is social work connected to humanity, humanitarian beliefs, or how does it help a person to become a human?
uh, to become a human, I think nowadays, due to technology, we are sitting on one place, but we are not connected with each other
In one place.
in
Good.
one place.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
But we are not connected with each other. And
Mm-hmm.
many times, something wrong is happening around us, but we ignore. And we
Yes.
just think that it's not my responsibility, or why to get into that matter. Maybe uh, there is chance that I'll be in the trouble. I can
I can
means
also become a part of it. Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So I think we should have that sense of responsibility. No, whatever happened, but if suppose I've seen some incidents happening in front of me, we have to raise voice, we have to support that person. And we should keep our eyes open when traveling outside, or mm, we come across some incidents. So we should help the needy. So I think it's a humanity.
It's part of humanity. Good. Okay. So, as you said, this word, okay,
Warmth.
that warmth in a human being. It's not this plastic smile when you meet people, ah, ha, ha, he, that is there hugging and everything is there. But still, the warmth in the eyes, that is something which is very important. That is the gist of what you told right now.
Yes.
And being thoughtful
Thoughtful,
is
yes.
good. But these days, people are so thoughtful, they are anxious, and it leads to depression. Like, for example, will I become a part of that problem? Why should I go and see what is happening there? Will that person come and trouble me tomorrow? So, such
Yes.
kind of pressure and stress that you're giving to your brain. Actually, nothing is happening. For example, when your neighbor is crying in the middle of the night, you hear a lady or a man crying out for help.
Yes.
Of course, as humans, we think, should I go? Should I not go? What if the person stabs me, or what if it's a thief? All these thoughts are running in your head. Maybe it's
Yes.
something else. So, too much of everything is also not good. And I think this warmth is evaporating
Yes,
from from that phase of humanity.
yes,
Good.
exactly.
Okay.
Donate,
Donate and
contribute.
what is the difference?
Donate
Contribution,
means
donation.
you donate something, physical things, object,
Okay.
and contribute means the part of responsibility, like you are doing something actively, or uh, contribution.
Contribution.
Contribution means to create awareness in the society or people, that you have to be sensible, or when people are in trouble, one should help.
Okay.
um, as a human, I think I'm not able to talk very
Okay. Okay. So let me
proper.
add to that. Contribution is a collective effort. Collective effort. Where suppose it's your school, you give little bit, the other teachers give little bit. So it's a contribution. So you say this is a contribution from our school. Suppose you're helping an old age home or another school. Okay. Donation is usually an individual effort. Generally, it is an individual effort and it's for free. You don't expect anything back.
Yes,
Contribution is something else where it is collective and you give your part.
yes,
Donation could be like, suppose you are doing something for another person, you're donating freely, anything. It could be
without
anything.
any expectation.
Yes, that is donation. So it's a broader sense. Contribution is collective generally. Okay. Then
Ample.
ample means lot of.
Yes.
Okay. When you look at humanity today, what do you think we should have in ample amount? For example, we should be selfless in ample amount. Do not be selfish.
Yes,
Care in ample amount. So, like that, adding to that list, what are some of the
generosity.
things that, yeah, that you will say it should be in ample amount so that all these problems will run away?
Yes.
Generosity. Okay, good. Then,
Then sense of responsibility, kindness, empathy, sympathy.
okay, okay, selfless. The word selfless is here, where greed also vanishes when you're selfless.
Yes.
You know the
Charity.
meaning of charity.
Charity means you donate something.
Yes, donation is there. Contribution is also sometimes there. It is for the welfare and betterment of another group, people, betterment, betterment
Better.
of the society. So now you're talking about social work. Social work is something which you should do voluntarily or as groups. It shouldn't come out of force. Of course, some people they do okay because she's giving, because he's giving, I will also do, or I will also be a part of the social working thing. So when you do it voluntarily, when you say I can do it or I will do it, there is a difference.
Yes.
Volunteering.
Volunteering.
Of course, you will have this also in between,
Monetary.
monetary, where money is involved. So when too much of money is involved, the betterment of the society will not happen.
Yes, of
See,
course.
social work is done so that somebody else benefits. And usually you shouldn't expect anything back. You're
Yes.
doing it because maybe you want to do it. It's not that you have so much. Even
Yes.
people who do not have so much will do social work. Like
Every
little
time
bit
it's
of
not
what I have.
about money. They can help society in
Yes,
other ways as well.
exactly. It's not just money. Yeah. Then also you gave these words sympathy and
Empathy.
empathy. What is the
Yes.
difference? Sympathy and empathy.
Sympathy is something, oh, what happened? It should not happen. She's a poor person, kind of words.
Yeah.
And empathy is when I'm feeling the pain of that person. I can
You
feel
feel
the
with
pain
the
of,
person. Yes.
yeah.
Good.
Sometimes my mother is so sensitive. So if something happened, even to our maid, she will keep talking morning to evening on same topic. So we have to tell us stop on talking on that topic and focus on our own problems.
Yeah. It's because she's sensitive also and she feels You see, in one way it is good because we don't have much people like that in this world. In one way it is good, but in one way it shouldn't damage what you told. It shouldn't
Yes.
damage our routine and our responsibilities also. That is when it
But
becomes dangerous.
I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but okay, these things are not positive, these things are negative, and to help those people or think about it or discuss about it for a while is okay, but morning to
For the whole
evening, if
day.
we keep listening
Okay.
those things, maybe our mentality can
It
change to
can
that
get damaged. Yes, yes, it can change to
negative
that.
level.
There is always a fine thread of balance. So
Yes.
when that snaps, when the balance goes to imbalance, when it shifts, then there comes a problem. There should be a
Yes.
balance everywhere. Okay, good. So any social work that you can recollect and tell me from what you have done, not just you, something that you have come across on TV or anywhere, social work that you really got impressed and you felt, oh, he or she shouldn't be doing it, but see how they're doing it, or a
uh,
group of people.
I've seen it's a part of job and social work as well. Child for child labor, government had taken that initiative for the child labor. Uh, Small kids were working in brick factory. Then they were working in hotels, and they were drop out of the school. So
Okay.
government brought a RTE Act. In that, a child should be get compulsory and good quality education from age of 6 to 14.
Okay.
So teachers went door to door. They collected the list of those kids. Then in our area, sugar factories are more. So people, poor people, they migrate from one place to another place when factories are running in
Mm.
season. So government has been started uh, that school of just for I think 6 to 7 for that 6 to 7 months for a
Mm-hmm.
short period of time. One teacher will go to that place and they'll teach without any room or something under the tree. Means their kids
Okay.
will not be um, mm, out of the stream, out of the educational
Oh,
stream.
okay.
So
Okay.
I like the way then they provide midday meal as well. So at
Wow.
least for that, poor students are going to school regularly. They are getting free uniform, free books. So it's not a burden for parents.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, exactly.
so I like whatever government has done for child labor. And one more thing I have noticed, as it's a small town, people would get married, girls who are under 18 years.
Mm.
So due to that rule, people are not getting means people are not marrying their daughters before 18 years. So
Mm.
yeah,
Not
now
getting the daughters married. Okay.
I've seen people say, even the people who work in school and other part, no, she's not 18. If somebody inform, then we will be in the trouble. So let her turn 18.
Okay. Yes.
So
A lot of changes.
it's really nice thing.
Yeah, good. That's great. So you said government has been started. Government had started.
Had started.
Yes.
Had
Past
or
tense. Had started. Now it has started, has started. Both are correct. Government has started. Is it functioning now?
yes, it's functioning.
So government has started and it is running now. It's functioning now, that particular movement. Had
Okay,
started, past tense, it's over. So
okay,
either is correct, but not had been started.
okay. Means they had
Had been.
started and still it's going on.
So it has had been started is not correct. That is like past continuous. I get that, but still it is past continuous.
Okay,
Had been, for example, you tell me, I had been to Singapore once upon a time. You had been.
okay,
It's over.
okay.
Okay. It's like that. Okay. So, any questions?
No.
No questions as usual. Okay. So, what should be focused upon is Not tenses actually, usages. Some usages. Tenses are fine now. Pronunciation is also getting better. Maybe here and there some cuts. That's okay. The way you wrote is also fine. Not bad. Lot of thoughts were there today. Actually, you connected so many things. I don't know whether you realized it. You connected so many things and you brought it together.
Actually, I had read it somewhere.
Poem. The other one, the content.
Yes,
You read and you produced it again in your
yes,
way, in your style.
yes.
That is fine. You didn't copy it, right? Line by line, you didn't copy. You read
No,
it
no, no.
somewhere, you had it in your mind, you had the idea, and you produced it in your own way.
Yes,
That is
yes.
good. It's really good. Then instead of in, you said no. Instead of during, you said in.
Okay,
Some confusion was there here and there, not in every place. So minor mistakes with tense, but still it is improving, not like before.
okay.